This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get BeamNG. Drive on PC. First, you'll want to head over to the Steam store, as that's the primary platform where the game is sold. Before purchasing, it's crucial to quickly check if your computer meets the necessary system requirements to ensure a smooth experience. Also, remember that a stable internet connection is vital for downloading the game, which is several gigabytes in size, and for receiving future updates. To enjoy BeamNG Drive, your PC should have at least a quad-core processor and 8 gigabytes of RAM for smooth gameplay. A dedicated graphics card is also a must, with a minimum of 2 gigabytes of video memory recommended for decent performance. Furthermore, make sure you have at least 25 gigabytes of available storage on your hard drive or solid-state drive to accommodate the game files. Once you've confirmed your system is ready, head to the BeamNG Drive store page on Steam. Add the game to your shopping cart and proceed to checkout, completing the purchase with your chosen payment method. After a successful transaction, the game will appear in your Steam library. Simply click the Install button there, and Steam will begin downloading the game files to your computer. With the installation complete, you can now launch BeamNG Drive directly from your Steam library. Upon your first launch, you might want to visit the in-game settings to adjust graphics and controls, ensuring the best possible experience for your specific computer setup. Then, dive into the incredible world of realistic soft-body physics, explore diverse environments, and enjoy countless hours of driving simulation fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.